seconds, 4 seconds.
Boom!
There you go.
We are live. Welcome back to the stream, everyone. Hope you're all doing well.
Hello, hello.
This is
How's
the
everyone
number
doing?
one trading live stream. We win most of the time. We might lose today, so if you're not ready, please quit trading, as we always say. So I'll let Mark talk to the chat. I'm just gonna plug trading you guys. We've got to get the
Hi
viewers.
everyone, hello everyone. I see
Hello.
I see Yo Bear Plays is already on GJ Longs, it looks like.
Yeah.
As I said, I am expecting GJ Longs as well, but only for the short term. I think only up till 159, and then we might start dropping back down again. Continue the momentum from last week. I do expect some sort of relief day or something where we do get a bit of a push up to the upside, and then before continuing the drop from last week. You can see that we started consolidating for the past, again, GJ consolidating as per usual. Around that 27th December till now, we are still in consolidation, being from the high of 161,493 to the low of 156,726. We have just broken past that level though, so be careful of taking these longs, because this could be a breakout trade and continuation to the downside now. However, if we do end up finishing above, again, that could be classed as a fake out, so longs are very much valid at that point.
Do you want to share your screen, actually,
Um,
or not?
yeah, I just don't know if you were going to do yours first.
Yeah,
There you
hold
go.
on. But live
Okay.
trading Forex and open to learn. Beautiful. Where's that Mr. ETH guy gone? He was just saying ICT. Then he just
Over here you can see
he
that,
got
yeah, we are in
removed.
consolidation currently. But as I said earlier, we broke past this 157 level over here, with force as well, by the way, last week. So the week ended below this level right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a continuation back down now. However, I will be waiting for a pullback up to 159 first, where this daily stall was, where the daily stalled and stopped basically. In terms of other confluences, obviously we have that daily level, we have the weekly around it, and we have the VWAP around it as well. And obviously we have the basic confluence, like the daily is overall bearish, the 4 hour is also bearish, will be bearish, will continue to be bearish when we get there. So yeah, quite a lot of confluences riding on this. We also have the monthly VWAP as well. If I just show it, we have the monthly VWAP lining up perfectly with this zone right here. So that will act as resistance for us for the continuation back down. However, in terms of the volume profile, there's not much to look at, besides the fact that we do have a volume void over here, okay? We have this volume void, so if price decides to go up over here and starts to reject it and not fill in this void, we can assume that there's no value to be found to the upside, and therefore we're going to start to climb back down again. Been taking this trade throughout the week though, because I don't know when it's gonna when it's gonna actually happen. But I will say that right now, that to be careful of zones like the previous daily low, the weekly low as well. Those are levels you need to be careful of, and it's something that you need to think about when taking a trade, because these zones are major zones, so it could easily start to reverse from there. Obviously, I am overall thinking and expecting these levels to be broken to go all the way down to 152. But obviously that's a long term play. I'm not taking that. I'm not gonna do the trade all in one go. It's more of a long-term target for me. If it happens all in one go, then so be it. But that's not my expectation. I do expect to have more than one entries to go all the way down to 152. So that's my GJ analysis for you guys, since the Yobear plays was on GJ as well. But yeah, as I said, just be a little bit careful of longs right now, because you could see in the daily that we did break below this major zone. We could anticipate this wick to be filled at the very least if price continues bearish.
I agree.
So yeah, there you go, bro.
Your
You do
camera
yours.
keeps doing that thing again.
Yeah, it's when thingy. It's when I do some sort of task on the laptop.
That's weird. Yeah, it didn't let me plug the stocks chat today. I don't know why. But
Yeah,
yeah, so
told
on
you to get
EU,
away.
guys, EU very simple today. I'm following this bullish structure along. Of course, higher time frames. Clearly, we pushed up a very high amount from Friday, probably about 2, 3, 400 pips. So I'm not gonna bother looking for sells from here because we don't have bearish structure yet. We're still following this bullish structure at the top, And to look for shorts for me, we would have to break this low before I start looking for shorts. Yeah, so we would have to break this low here. Maybe that'll happen today or tomorrow. But right now, shorts don't make sense. So I'm just thinking, okay, let's follow the most recent structure. No point waiting for something that's going to take 2 days to happen. The bullish structure right now, we can see we've been following it for very similar since last week, essentially. Pushed up, down into this level here. Create a new structure. Liquidity grab here. Clear liquidity grab. I'll zoom in for you guys. Bullish structure here, all along here. You can clearly see it was slow, manipulative. Loads of orders building up here, triggering in buyers, sellers, everyone. Pushed up to one side, triggered in all the buyers. Took out any early sellers. And straight away, the next candle pushes down, takes the other side, triggers in sellers on that side. So now, big money. If they wanted to execute a large buy order, they have all the orders they need. If their anticipation for EU was that price was going to keep pushing up overall, they now had all the orders they needed to fill their millions worth of orders that they wanted. So we pushed up after that, as you can see, and kept following that bullish structure, kept fulfilling those price ranges, and now we've slowly retraced into an order block. And all I want to see is, I was going to wait for the 50%. I was just analyzing it before the stream started, so. But we also have this structure here, so waiting for that 50% might not be necessary. But the safer play here for sure is waiting for us to tap in lower. Wait for a tap in lower to this 50% region. Wait for a rejection candle, boom, take the trade up. And the structure is looking nice for a buy. The reason I say it's nice is we got clean candles to the left, and the last actual piece of structure against us on EU is this tiny piece of bearish structure here. So if I was to take a buy here, I have all this room to the 50% of the bearish leg, before I need to start getting worried, before I need to think, okay, price now has a chance of coming back for my entry. So if we do get a nice entry here, we've got room to manage our risk, so on and so forth. So for EU, looking for longs, probably play it safer since it is Monday actually, and we do have this 15-minute order block. I'm going to wait for a slightly larger push down into that 50% region. So 1.08270. Essentially, I want a deeper push, and then I'll look for longs from there. And GBP JPY, I know Mark just said be careful of taking longs. I think from here we can get that push up to 157. It makes sense. We've got that slow retracement going upwards compared to this very impulsive push down. Orders here, orders here, orders here. Anyone who's buying has still been kept in. The buyers have intentionally been kept in this trade right now. So once we do push up and we take these highs, the large institutions who are trying to sell will now have all the orders they need. Just like on EU, they'll have taken out anyone who's trying to sell, triggered in their buy orders to get the best entry possible. So that's why this is manufactured here, so that once we do take it, the best price possible is given. Then, like I said, we have all these buy orders stacked up from here, here and here, all these lows, not to mention the support to the left that we bounced off. So once we do reach into this zone, sorry, very messy chart. Once we do reach into that zone, I'll definitely be looking for sells from there. So GJ sells, like Mark said, to take that low. I've got a similar analysis, because on the higher time frames we came very close to taking that low, and in my opinion that's manufactured. I think that's intentional, that we've pushed up just before taking it. It's triggering in early buyers, and also it's marking out a zone for us. Price is essentially designing its own zone, so that once we do break below that low, we now have sellers, because they're saying, oh, it's a support, once we break that support I should sell. Whereas let's imagine this was the only point on the chart. Imagine we're here, and when we came down we just kept pushing down. There's not many breakout traders who will be waiting for that low, because it's just one single price point. Whereas if you get a little double top forming, or sorry, double bottom, now it turns into a support. Now it turns into structure. So lots of orders waiting below there, which I think will be taken. That's why I'm targeting sells. And yeah, so I guess on both trades, opposite analysis. EU has been pushing up for a while. We're looking for a continuation. GJ has been pushing down for a while. Just looking for that continuation again. So shorts on GJ, longs on EU. That is the plan. Let me
Sounds good.
clean up my chart. But yeah, Elite man, what are you thinking on GJ and EU? JP trades FX.
Well,
I'm back.
CJ is
Yeah.
at moment in range for me. Resist is 156, 2723, and support is
Six.
156, 278. At moment it's range, and EU is at moment in support area. Possible soon we can buy. I think if London Open it's going up,
Yeah.
not if not before.
Interesting. Alright, fair enough. Fair enough, JP, that makes sense. Yeah, buys up to this area if you can somehow catch a trade there, makes sense. That's not in my style of trading, but I guess you did have this order block here. If you're trading off that purely, following that 5-minute structure, I guess you could do that, yeah. Jeez, another 1 to 5.
Nice.
Mad. Fair enough.
Crazy stuff, man.
Was
Smashing
that,
it, smashing
was
it.
that on GJ? Was it around 6? I'm guessing it was.
D-scalper's going crazy, man.
Yeah. How are you guys doing this? Are you getting high win rates here as well at the same time?
No, I think not yet. Not yet.
I'm not.
He's about to do it. He's about to pull the trigger. Alright, I've got.
Alright. I think he
I
caught.
got
He
another
already caught a
trade.
trade. Yeah, yeah. 1 to 7 on CJ. Jeez. Mad. Fair play, man.
What's up, Fernando?
A-star
Yeah.
trades. Yeah, yeah. Have you
Yeah.
been watching the same video as me, JP trades, bro?
Same reels.
Nah, is that one guy? What's his name? Abdullah. Have you seen it?
Nah.
Essentially, it's sort of common knowledge, but essentially says you should have A-star setups where you risk the most, A setups where you risk a little less, so on and so forth. B, and then he goes, you should get to the point where you cut out all the other ones except for the A-star trades.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. That's a good concept. So what I'm expecting on Bitcoin over here, boys, is a massive push to the downside, basically filling in this entire thing. But I was gonna look to take an entry. You can see on the 4-hour, we did spike through this major high over here on a daily high, and then we had a massive spike to the downside, right? We had a push down after spiking this. I was gonna enter. I don't. However, just judging from price action, what price action is doing is right now, though, it doesn't seem like it was a major liquidity grab. Because if it was a major liquidity grab, I can anticipate as soon as institutions and big banks and whatever, or whoever trades Bitcoin that has capital enters, a lot of the people that are looking at all the flow and other price action strategies are probably going to take the entry as well and start to have a massive rally to the downside. However, that didn't happen. You can see that price just consolidated. It's kind of trying to generate more orders over here. So now what I'm expecting is for the price to actually reach this level over here, this high, and take out potentially this weekly high over here. And then once price does end up falling back down below, I will start to take the sells over here. But yeah, as I would say though, this is probably one of the most aggressive trades I take, and probably the most aggressive trade I will ever take, or setup, most aggressive setup that I'll ever take. Because yeah, we are very bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, see how massive the rally was. If you look at even the 12-hour time frame, the rally, we did break this. We almost broke this high. Sorry, let me just get rid of these indicators so it's not too messy. We're basically up these highs again. We retraced this entire move to the downside, which was, I think, a few weeks after the FTX collapse, I think. Hold on. Where was FTX collapse? Hold on. Let me just find. I think FTX collapse was over here somewhere around this zone. and then the continuation over here. But we just retraced that anyways. And then yeah, I am anticipating price to fall back down into potentially 1700, but as a safe side, I'm looking at 1900 first, and then looking at if we can continue the momentum to the downside. However, I will be waiting for this level to be tapped, because I know, well, right now that I know two buy sell entries have been entered. So obviously the people that are looking to sell around this zone right here, so sell, sell, and sell, their stop loss would be slightly above this high right here that got taken. The next sell orders are people looking to do a breakout over here. Their stop losses will be around this zone right here. So those people haven't been tapped out of their positions quite yet. So let's wait and see if they will. If not, I anticipate maybe one more buyers to take the breakout up here, and the sellers potentially looking to sell over here. And then, sorry, the stop loss over here, and this, and the buy stop losses are going to be over here somewhere. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. But yeah, haven't quite entered on Bitcoin quite yet. As for gold, so gold's a bit of a tricky one. As I explained it on the group, to be fair, I explained on the group that this isn't for gold. It's a bit tough because it's in the middle of being either very bullish and reaching that 1970 level, but at the same time having a massive relief to the downside. What I mean by that is pretty simple. So I do anticipate a bit of a pullback into gold, as after this massive rally to the upside, you can see that gold hasn't really had major consolidation or corrections quite yet. We had this, but it's not really a correction, it's more of a pause. The most recent correction we had was this level right here at 1800, which was 21st of December. We do need some sort of correction on gold in the meantime. However, if we end up going below this weekly level, or even better, this weekly level, at that point, that is a fake out on the weekly, right? So we try to break above, get buyers entered into the market, and if we end up going back down below, this will be classed as a fake out, and we're probably going to anticipate price to go back down into 1800. So if that happens, it's a little bit of this is what I mean, it's a little bit of a in between right now, especially for people that are swing trading. For those that are day trading, it's probably easy to find setups for you guys, but for me, the longer term trader, if I take a buy over here, I am at risk because will be closing below the weekly level, and therefore there could be a massive rally to the downside. But again, if I sell over here, then there's also a decent chance that we do continue to the upside as well. So it's a little bit of a tough one to trade at the moment. But for anyone wondering gold, that's what I'm anticipating. I already did GJ, but as for Eurodollar is a little bit more clearer for me. Okay, so with Eurodollar right now, look at the weekly time frame. We have this major level over here where we did break above, solidly above, just like gold, to be fair. The only problem we have currently is this zone right here of 1.9250, around that level, before we can reach that weekly grid of 1.10500. We'll wait and see if we can take that, but overall we are going to look for buys. As for the daily time frame though, I do just want a quick tap into 1.07 before we continue to rally. If we look at the fib right here, I don't use the fib often, guys. I literally just use it to see how deep the retracement will be. You can see it's a valid retracement. It's past that 38.2, very close to 50%. So it is a valid pullback and a valid correction on this pair. But yeah, that's what I'm anticipating. Obviously, if we do get a break down below over here, chances are the weekly will either close slightly below or just slightly above that weekly weekly line, a weekly level. That's fine. At that point, it's all, it doesn't matter as long as it doesn't close strongly below the weekly. I will be taking the buys. Okay, as for the VWAP over here, you can see that it does line up with this level over here, the VWAP on the monthly VWAP, that is the monthly anchored VWAP. It is currently halfway through its life cycle, so it is quite a useful information for us right now. At the start of the month, it wasn't as useful, but right now it does have some value that you can give. The next thing is we have the volume gap, as I explained on GJ. If we get a quick tap into this zone and a quick rejection without this volume gap being filled in, then we can anticipate there's no volume to be found to the downside, and we can start to look for upside potential on this pair. As for the 4 hour time frame, we do have one slight issue, I would say, is the fact that once we do start to fall back, actually, yeah, once we start to fall back down below this is the current, I think this is the current, what's it called, 4 hour structure right now. So if we end up closing below the 4 hour, this 4 hour zone right here, then we'll be bearish on a 4 hour time frame, which is not ideal for us, obviously, because at that point we're going against it because we're looking to buy. However, if we do get a quick wick to the downside, rejecting this zone, that's even better for us because that means not only did it retest the daily, but it remains bullish as well on the 4 hour, remains bullish on the daily time frame, and we have that VWAP retest, and we also have that 30 and 50% retest on the fib, and we also got that weekly retest as well, and overall we are going with the direction. Lastly, also we have this VWAP anchored on the daily time frame or the daily low, daily significant low. As price goes down, we do anticipate this VWAP to go down with it, meet that halfway point at 1.07, and again start to rally. Just like every pair that I say though, when trading this type of way, I would be obviously careful. First, the weekly level. There's not much you can do. You just have to take the risk with a weekly level. If it bounces off the weekly level, then obviously the trade will be wrong, and then it will start to fall back down. But it's so close that it's either you decide whether it's worth taking because there's a resistance so close above, or it's not worth if it's not worth taking or not. The next level that we have to obviously worry about are these minor structure on the 4 hour time frame, as said. So this one, and obviously these ones up here, which is the daily level as well. These are minor, but they could end up becoming, somewhat of a pullback level before we start to rally or whatever. So be careful. I would just honestly, as soon as we reach levels like these, you should be around like 38 pips in profit. Move stop loss to break even, to be honest, or 60 pips in profit. And as for these daily levels over here, at this point, if you're not securing your profit, if you're not a break even or whatever, that's just getting greedy. Because at this point you're like 120 pips in profit. So, and then obviously overall target is 1.106. But as I said, we're not anticipating this to be all in one move, right? We anticipate this to be like broken into many different moves. For example, take a buy over here, pull up, take profit, and if it pulls back down again into the previous zone, take the buy again. But I just have an overall direction where I want the market to go and where I think it's going to be magnetized to. So yeah, that's what I'm anticipating. But be aware of this zone right here. I'm not marking it because it makes my chart messy, but I am aware of this 1.09250 zone. Cool. That's my analysis for the week.
Beautiful, man.
Ooh.
Wait, did you change the video then? That you uploaded?
No.
The one
I just deleted it for now. I just deleted it for now.
Calm.
Yeah, I'll
you know what you could do?
it.
Literally just clip this part of the stream and re-upload it.
I've got it thingy. What's it called?
You just selected the wrong file.
I just selected. Well, yeah, because I didn't give the file enough time to basically render in OBS.
Right.
So it wasn't actually turned as in, but all the files look the same because they're all the same starting point. Really, they're all the OBS screen, isn't it? So I just didn't notice it. I didn't notice the time.
Oh, fair enough. This is
And it was like 11 or 12 o'clock at that point, so I was like, oh god.
Yeah, nah.
Mark, are you funded? I am funded indeed.
This is JP's trade, the 1 to 7 he's on about on CJ. So I can see.
Yeah.
I'm guessing this red zone's an order block. Actually, you might not even trade order blocks, but I don't remember exactly what he said. But trend line here, broke the trend line, retested.
Hold on, I'm gonna
Actually, I see
rejoin Zoom
this.
because it is turning
I think this is the fair value gap here, so this must be an order block, right? We pushed up, broke the trend line, had a fair value gap. That's interesting. Combining trend lines with the fair value gap in the order block. I've never seen that done, to be fair, as in on this short of a time frame. One thing I have been looking at is trend zones. In my back testing, just noticed there's a unique discovery. I never saw anyone else do this, but I noticed that a lot of the time when price comes into the order block, it'll actually line up. Actually, no, that's the wrong tool. It'll line up with some sort of trend line to the left, right? When it bounces off, like right now, you can see it's on this side, but so this is sort of different. But trend lines, honestly, they do work a lot more than. I'm not gonna.
Trend lines.
Sorry, trend zones. Yeah, trend zones. I stopped calling them trend lines because trend lines don't make sense. One man's trend line like this. One
It's
man's
another
trend
man's trend
line.
line like this.
One man's is like this. Another guy doesn't even have this. He's going in a completely other direction. So I'm like, if you use trend lines in your strategy, for me it doesn't make sense. I use trend zones. You know. Oh, sorry. It's not called the trend zone. It's called the delta zone or the enigma zone.
The Delta Zone.
It's
The
either
Enigma Zone.
called the
Call it
enigma
Delta Zone.
zone or the delta zone from now on.
Delta Zone, bro. I don't want to be part of your trend line, trend zone.
Wow. uh,
I
I
don't want to
use
be a
multiple
part of it,
trend line.
bro.
I guess multiple is better, to be fair, because then you
Yeah.
can see, okay, I'm trading this one, but there's this.
But
It's
for
almost
me,
like
it gets a bit
having.
messy.
It's almost like having multiple resistances, isn't it? So you could have
Yeah,
two
that's the
trend
point.
lines. Like if I go back on your trade, I closed it now, but I'll just visualize it. You know, you can trade on the break of one, and I guess you can see the other trend line in front. You can manage your risk. So once it taps it, you go break even.
Yeah, yeah. So I've got
Yeah,
I've got
yes.
a swing account. So it's a 1 to 30. I think 1 to 30 leverage, 200K account. I've been trading with FTMO for almost a year now. I think. No, no, no.
Pretty sure you have
Yeah, yeah, I
more
have.
than
Yeah,
a
yeah,
year,
yeah. I
bro.
have now. Yeah, I have. Yeah. So yeah. I haven't just got. I was planning to do another 200K account to finish my funding, but I just haven't had the time because I've been trying to do a lot of different things. And for me to do a another challenge, I need to like be proper into it first first and foremost. I
Into
am
it.
still in a yeah, I am like I don't want to ruin my streak, so I am yet to fail a FTMO, so I don't want to ruin
Oh, is
that.
that what it
So
is?
I have to be into it, yeah. It's a bad mentality to be in,
Yeah,
but yeah.
I guess.
Um
But you said you're starting it like when I started, so next week.
yeah, it's a 200K USD account.
Yeah,
Even though
mine's
I live
yeah.
in UK, I can still transfer the 200 the dollars into pounds
Oh, I've got
from
some.
my
I've got some
bank.
catching up to do. Mine's gonna be 100k. Don't want to rush it though.
Yeah, no, I don't want to rush it.
That's the one thing. By the way, guys, when it comes to choosing your currency, make sure you choose the right one, because the exchange rate after
For
can
a
be very
while,
different.
yeah, for a while it was because
Let's go on
how
it.
you basically I basically got a 50% pay rise when pound collapsed.
I'll show it on
So
chart.
yeah, it was a lot more.
So look, this is USD GBP, right? So imagine you got, what was it, 200k account you had, or 100k.
Yeah, two
So
whatever. Yeah, 200 whatever. It's easier
you
to
essentially
maths.
first got fund. So this is right now, whatever this value is your conversion of your FTMO account. So imagine you made 100, forgetting the profit split. Imagine you made 10k profit. Right now you'd be getting paid £8,000 because this is USD to GBP.
Yeah,
But so what? When you first got it, it was what, 2021. So essentially 75%. Then over the year, you eventually got to nearly 1 to 1.
yeah,
That
it
must have
did.
been crazy for you because I remember you saying it.
I got a massive pay rise because of it when almost went to 1 to 1.
From
If you had
75 to
euro at the
100%.
time, if you
Crazy.
had euro, you would have a massive pay rise right now. Obviously Euro
But
USD has
still,
recovered. Yeah, Euro USD has recovered a little bit, so it is a little bit off. But I get it's all about. Well, I'm a swing trader. Right? I didn't actually plan this, but if I was thinking like a swing trader back then, at the same time, I'd
yeah,
probably be analyzing like the yearly or
yeah, yeah.
the the full yearly chart or something just to see where the price was headed in the trend. So I would have chose the right thing. But to be honest, no, you don't have to put too much thought into it. Whatever's most ideal for you. The reason why I did 100K USD rather than pound is because of that. Like, one is 6 figures, so you know, and then the next one was because it was a clean, what's it called? It's intense rather than whatever. Was it
Alright,
80K
so we've tapped into the
pound?
50% here. We're starting to reject. If this point wicks up a little more, I will take buys on the break of this high.
Yeah, yeah,
But right now, it's not looking very strong for London Open, especially
yeah.
coming up next. Yeah, so it looks like we're going to be waiting for another candle. But yeah, we have tapped
London's
into
about
the
to open in a minute.
50%. If we get a nice candle on London Open, could be beautiful.
London is open.
Yes,
London's open.
it is.
Um,
London Open, ding ding. Yes.
Why wouldn't you just go full out, max out the FTMO accounts? Well, because like I started off with 100K. I wasn't full time then. I had some sort of capital, but I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to risk like a whole, basically. Well, how much was it? Like a grand?
Oh wait, is JP?
No,
Are you trying to say
no.
as in
Or
right from the
basically
start?
2 grand.
Right from the
Yeah,
start,
it's
why would
basically
you not max it out?
yeah. And the next thing is psychology because trading from a £500 account to
Yeah,
a
exactly,
400K account.
100%.
Again, a big jump. Obviously, 500 to 100K is also a big jump, but it was more of a. Well, I was already. I had a 50K. Oh, not right from the start.
I mean, we are both gonna
Yeah.
max it out. It's
Okay.
just about like
Yeah. As
waiting
I
for it. I guess
as
Mark
I said
was like the
earlier,
win streak thing.
as as I said earlier, it's because yeah, I haven't lost an FTMO account. So for me to do an FTMO account right now, I want to remain that streak, and I want to make sure that I have the perfect edge. Not the perfect edge, but like perfect timing.
Perfect flex. That's what you
Going
want.
into it. Yeah. So if I can get obviously 400K funding without losing a single account or without, losing a single challenge, that'd be quite a big one. So yeah, that's why, because I want to get it perfect timing. Right now, my trading is a little bit because of the low volume currently, so it's not very good. For me
Yeah.
to have a good trade, obviously volume has to be in the market, volatility has to be in the market, because again, I'm holding trades for like, a week or so. If it doesn't move in a week, then not only do I occur swap as well. Mainly psychology, I guess so. Yeah, call ego psychology, absolutely.
I thought you just
Again,
wanted to
only
wait
be
until next year. Like it was just because December.
a
Obviously,
little,
you don't want to do it in
little.
December. You said it's a bad month,
Yeah.
so you're
It
like,
is a
hey,
bad month. So is January to me. So to be
yeah,
honest, but yeah, I guess yeah, ego. Yeah, I want to get perfect 400K without losing a single challenge. To be
yeah,
clear though, I did technically lose a challenge because I didn't meet the 10% for 1 month. But I didn't actually lose it. I got another retry and then passed it the next day, the next try.
yeah,
But yeah, that's that's all I'm basically gonna say about it.
yeah.
But either this month or the next, I'll definitely be doing it. Unlike a deal, I'm not going to be doing it on live stream, to be honest, because it's a little bit tough to time my trades.
You won't
And
take
if
any
I was
trades in the
doing it,
stream.
if I was on a
They
live,
won't be
yeah, if
there.
I was trying to do a live stream on my trade, I have to do it like almost like a 24-hour stream, and
Yeah.
then hop on the computer when I'm about to enter. So it's a very
But
hard thing.
but Mark,
But it's
you're gonna do this next week,
what
24-hour stream. Mm.
4-hour stream? What? Why?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why am I doing
I
4-hour
think he's
stream
on
next stream?
about New York stream.
Oh, New York. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll do New York. But no promises on trades, though. It's just going to be a chill stream where I'm just going to be talking about markets. Any questions, let me know and stuff. That's just good. No promises on trades on thing. What's your average RR on your swings? My average is 1 to 2.9. With 75. It varies 75 to, well, my lowest is 65% win rate. Highest on average is 80% win rate. There you go. It does vary a lot. Depends on the volatility of the market, because obviously throughout the week, the shorter term cycle could change, making my trades run shorter. How do you pass if you trade? Because I trade 2% per trade.
You have more than a trade per week. I would say it's like
Yeah, I do have more
three
than a
per
trade per
week,
week,
isn't it?
and it was volatile. By the way, GJ sales coming through.
It's GJ lining up too, yeah.
Nice. Yeah,
I don't know.
because one I was trading a slightly different strategy then, a bit more aggressive, and when I am on FTMO challenges, I am a bit more aggressive with my trading as well. Right now, I'm a bit more passive because one, I don't really need to be aggressive. Every trade I make can make or can make or break a month basically. Because let's be honest, if you're earning, especially at my age, 6K in a week or whatever,
Yeah,
not bad.
not bad at all. But what did you say before that?
Especially at my age. What did I say? What?
Before 6K per week. Why is it not bad?
I forgot what I said to be honest.
Yeah, yeah, Marcus was looking at taking DXY cells. I was just saying,
People taking Dixie now.
yeah, I was wondering that, but he was on the 1 minute chart. So I said, yeah, it lines up with EURUSD. I'm looking for it to tap in deeper. I don't know when he entered. I think he might have been entered in here. Who knows if it was a limit or he's waiting for a rejection. Personally, Marcus, if you're watching, since you're on 1 minute, I would wait for another confirmation once we enter the zone. Because like I always say on stream, I got PTSD from the 1 minute where you enter and you just get blasted through straight away. It's so annoying. I don't like that happening. Once I see why you were taking it, where he had bullish structure, breakout structure. Obviously, we entered into the zone. He might not have entered this, by the way, but I'm just saying for an example. Once we entered into the zone, all you got was bullish candles. I would wait for an actual, maybe like a 5 minute rejection or something higher before you enter. Because that would annoy me.
Did AM end up replying to me? No, he didn't.
Yeah, DXY
I think everyone gets
structure,
confused when yeah.
DXY structure is looking nice in terms of lining up with EUR USD longs. We've clearly got 1-to-1 caught on GJ. Nice.
Lovely stuff,
Yeah, I was
man.
just saying on Discord, JP. 1 minute ago you said buys. I'm like, wait, what sells? What's going on?
I think he obviously when a switch like in price action, I guess
Yeah.
he's a very fluid trader, isn't he?
That's it. Yeah, scalper. You wanna know?
Yeah, scalper. Jeez.
It's like elite man, right? I was looking for buys.
Yes, like elite man.
Yeah.
No.
No, elite man's not looking for buys anymore.
Nope.
Well, I was looking for buys in London, but the opposite, I'd look for nothing more than a 1-2. Oh, okay, that's a smart way to do it. That's a smart way of doing
really
it, to be
smart.
fair. So if it's your bias, you let it run. But if it's not your bias, you stick to 1-1. That's pretty smart. I've never heard someone do that before. Was that you'd think of that by yourself, or did you like a mentor say that? Just out of curiosity.
Maybe just like
Also, if you don't mind
observation.
me asking, who's your mentor? Who would you say your mentor is?
You daddy.
Just from experience. Nice.
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 I
No mentor then?
I do always rate when people can like a lot their tradings from just seeing certain patterns happen over and over again. I
Yeah.
feel like when that happens, you're a lot more confident in trading it compared to even when you
No
do
mentor.
get taught from someone, you don't really learn what they say until you test it for yourself.
Mhm.
Wouldn't you agree? As
That's
in,
true,
like,
yeah.
if
Yeah,
someone
agreed.
if someone tells you a strategy while you're trading it live, you could know they're a profitable trader. While
Yeah.
you're watching, while you try trading it, you might not be as confident as if you practice
Yeah,
it
for
yourself.
sure.
Maybe.
About a year of back testing. Lovely, man.
Oh,
That's
fair
exactly
enough.
what I like
That's
to
it.
see.
We do love back testers here.
Yeah.
That's all we
Back
preach.
testing is is major key.
Oh,
Major key.
no buys on EU then. I am guessing. Looks like we're about to smash
buys
through
on
this
EU?
area.
Oh, I see that now.
That's why you don't take limit orders, guys.
It's got blasted through there.
It's
That's a minus
GJ.
2% loss on ftmo challenge. That is.
And imagine.
Bro,
All GJ's lining up too.
that'd be the worst start in history, man. I would be
And
like,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
no.
make sure the first trade I take is beautiful. You bet, guys. I'm not starting. I'm gonna try my hardest not to start on a loss.
I always try to start the month with a W
Yeah.
or a
Oh,
fresh account
every
with
month. Oh, really? That's interesting.
not every month, but fresh account or something. Whatever the fresh account
That's
comes,
interesting.
it's normally every month.
So you do it in general, not just the challenges.
Yeah. I do it in general.
It's pretty smart.
Psychology
I
reasons.
guess psychology. Yeah.
But obviously, once I have my own, like, once I put my own capital, like, significant capital in, it doesn't matter because,
Then it's constant. Yeah.
yeah, it's a constant. It's not a fresh account. It's not a fresh thing, so it
But
doesn't matter.
FTMO, you can just see that little chart, can't you?
Yeah, exactly.
I
That's what I just like
entered
to
in a
see.
GJ buy before London Open at 156,660 before London Open. Nice. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. So you're starting to get that push up. So you suffered a little drawdown. When you say before London Open, I don't know how far. But yeah, I want this tap into 157, so lines up with your trade. Quick 20-30 pips. Boy!
Literally nothing yet. Well, all my trades are in Discord, by the way. Oh, there it is. There's a massive push down expecting on Bitcoin.
Let's see what
There's the people entering sales.
Goldilocks is doing. The one and only. I haven't actually
Let's see.
analysed it yet.
Gold is pushing.
What is this artwork here? Which demon did this? What was going on here?
Which one?
What is
Oh,
this?
yeah, you're an old. Imagine.
Brother, who did this?
Disgusting. Disgusting, bro.
That can't have
Disgusting.
been me. That can't have been me. Gold, yeah. Is it still pushing up? We're still on that bullish upward, like bullish trend, upwards and upwards. To the left, can we see anything significant to sell from? You know what, even if we did, I don't think it would matter because. So on the whole, we need to pull back into here. The most recent.
How long you been trading for, JP?
I think he said he's 18. I'm not sure how long he's been
18.
trading.
So like 17, you started back testing.
Must be.
That's fair. Nice.
Wow, that's amazing. Hello,
Baron,
Baron.
how you doing,
nice
bro?
to see you again.
Yeah, I see. Lovely.
That's sick, man. So from
Look at
17, you were already back testing properly. That's amazing.
Nice.
You must have had a
I
good
can't lie.
mentor.
Yeah. No mentor. He just learnt it from.
Oh yeah, no, he
from
said he learned it from scratch.
Yeah, fair enough.
He must be motivated then. Not a good mentor, he was
must-
motivated.
So what like drives you then, motivates you? For you to do that, I doubt it's the
Yeah.
one thing that I'm thinking, but
You have to be a little
Yeah, what
different. If
actually
you're at
motivates
your
you?
age, you were back testing that much.
yeah.
There must be something. My boy got me.
He had a
straight.
gold bot, but
Ooh.
made him money. Oh,
Ooh.
nice. Every
Mm.
algorithm that I've seen that so far makes them money for the short term and then collapses some reason. I honestly
That's
can't trust
general what it seems like. But I've never.
That's why I want to make my own bot some time.
Yeah.
I want to make it like as best as possible. But although again,
Yeah.
if the smartest people can't do it, then it's gonna be a little tough. But I'm
Like I
gonna
said,
work
maybe
on
we just haven't seen it. That's it. But I'm thinking,
yeah, maybe.
what if there's some sort of order block strategy where tap into order block, take 1, 2, 3 pips, close trade. Order block. That's the most basic one I can think of. Where it lines up with a zone as well. News lines up.
Mm.
Boom, take the trade. Boom.
See, okay, I think this is why you had such a great start to trading and actually backtest for a whole year because you
Yeah.
find it fun rather than it's just all
Yeah,
for the
facts.
money. I'm exactly the same as you. I do just enjoy trading in general. I guess the freedom, although to be honest, it's a bit of a sham, this freedom thing, because I don't feel free. I'm more locked to my. That's only not because of trading though. It is because I'm trying to start something when it comes to trading as well. That's why. But
I'm a tap
I'm
guy.
tap
I
my guy.
enjoy losing because I learn from it. You're not tap for that, bro. We're the same.
oh, you're from. I'm guessing he's from the UK then.
Yeah, no US guy saying tapped.
Yeah. I guess from the UK too.
I think he said he's
I
from
enjoy losing.
South UK.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. He's
Nice.
from the South, more like debt free. Like
Oh, what do you mean?
Do you mean by
Psychology
I think
is
he means,
real though.
freedom, debt free? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, I
Psychology.
guess. Like
Yeah.
Bristol. Nice.
Yeah.
Lovely stuff, man. But yeah, psychology is 100% real. But again, it all depends on the type of trader you are, though. If you're more rule-based, you're more like structured, then psychology has a very, very little part. All you have to do with your psychology is turn up, execute when you need to.
Yeah.
That's it. But if you're more
That's it.
intuitive, then yeah, psychology is definitely real.
GJ is
GJ going
ham.
ham.
It's
Yeah,
crazy.
it is.
Are we finally getting volatility back in GJ? Is it finally coming? At least in London session.
Volatility, bro. All it did was just finish the range and going back up again. I don't know what you guys are talking.
Do you see the
Look at
pips,
the
brother?
Bro, look at the daily. Literally back in consolidation again. Didn't break out or anything.
Yeah.
Which I didn't want it to break out, by the way. I wanted to reach 159 first, but yeah. No volatility here, bro. No breakouts. It didn't have enough
maybe for your
volume
daily
to break
candle,
out.
there's no volatility. Man's here watching the daily.
Well,
Look
it didn't
at
have enough
it's
volume to
only
break
moved
out,
up
man.
a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe to be fair, I can imagine with this momentum here, this is just the top wick. Then if our sell lines up, the rest of the day pushes downwards, takes this low here. Because let's go on the weekly. What was the weekly look like? Yeah, even from that weekly candle, if this was a 15-minute chart, I would 100% expect this low to get taken. as in price action wise. Usually with this momentum, you'd see at least the candle low get taken. So the top wick for the weekly for me makes sense.
Why does that happen? Why does there 2 links in description per one?
I don't know.
It really.
It's so weird. I even deleted it.
I know. I know. I tried to delete it as well. It just doesn't work.
It's YouTube, man. Bloody stupid.
It's YouTube. Is Bristol a good place to live at, by the way? Just out of curiosity. Because I've been and I've seen it, but I've never been. I've never lived in Bristol. Heard it's a good night out though. That's what I heard.
Bristol.
Oh yeah, about this freedom is a sham thing in Forex. It is and it isn't. So obviously, if you just don't mind just doing Forex and just trading, I guess to some extent it is freedom, but it takes a while to get there though. It doesn't just like, oh, as soon as you get a profitable system, you're done. Because you have to keep tweaking your system, you have to keep improving your
Yeah.
system, and for that to happen, you need to be back testing basically every day to find that edge. Because you're not going to find it after two sessions of back testing. I'll tell you that now. On top of that, if you want to start something around trading, for example, this Enigma trading group, obviously, it does obviously require time as well. And when it comes to things like this, my personality is just I like to get a lot of things done, so I don't end up, free. But I do feel free in a way that I can start whenever I want practically, and I can do whatever, whatever and what my time is. In that case, it's very much
Yeah.
freeing.
Depends if you take it literally or based on your definition. In the literal sense, I guess freedom is essentially, do you get to control what your day looks like? That's freedom, really.
Exactly, yeah, and I do,
But,
yeah. So
yeah, more so, there's another version where it's your definition of freedom decides whether you're free or not. Where, like, for you,
True.
for example, you were talking about backtesting. If you like backtesting, which we generally
You're telling, yeah,
sort of do, technically you're free, right? If you
Yeah,
like
for sure.
working hard all day, doing the group or, turning up to the charts, I
no,
would
for
say
sure,
you're
yeah.
free.
True. That's true. That's true. Great way of putting it. Make me look bad. Then carry on.
Did I? What did I say?
Nah, joke.
No, I would just say
Basically,
like maybe some
I
people.
don't like what I was doing.
Then I would say maybe people have like they don't like backtesting because
Yeah.
in their mind they're thinking, oh, but that's like working a job. I've heard some people say that. They say, oh, but you're just working a 9 to 5 again. You're making yourself work this hard. Yeah, but if in our mind we like it and we're free, then on the
Yeah.
outside it doesn't really matter what it looks like, does it? So
Yeah, and either way, you're gonna have to work hard anyway. You're gonna have to work harder 9 to 5. You're probably gonna have
Yeah.
to. You're definitely gonna work
Bro.
harder if you work for yourself, or you have to work harder if you work for yourself. That's
Yeah.
as simple as it is. Yeah.
like the most cliche quote of all time: if you want to be the 1%, you can't do what the 99% do. So
Exactly. I agree.
I'd say,
I was thinking
yeah.
like,
plus, if you have the
Yeah.
goals me and Mark have, if you want to be successful in a different level, on a different
you're
level,
gonna have to.
Yeah,
You're
like,
gonna have to work
you have to work
damn near
more
every
than
single day.
the other
Yeah.
people. It's just common sense. There's nothing motivational. It's just if
And
you want
yeah.
more than the others, you have to do more than the others. That's literally it.
It's science.
It's science, bro.
Science.
I'm not trying to. Yeah, ain't no motivation.
Well, this will be too free. Like you can make choice what when you're gonna work or how you're gonna work.
True,
Like
true.
no one gonna tell you, like do that, go
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
Like you're gonna make choice what's time when you're gonna do work. Like it's
Yeah,
freedom.
speak for yourself. Adil tells me what to do and when to do it. Exactly.
Ah ha ha.
I'm joking. He doesn't.
But yeah, no,
You're a
you're
funny
right.
guy.
We decide the schedule. We decide what time.
Yeah,
the
we
live
do
streams
decide
are.
our schedule. Yeah.
We decide when we're
exactly.
back testing. We decide when our calls are on the
To
weekend.
some extent, I guess. Yeah, we're free.
Yeah.
Again,
so-
it all depends on if you like what you're doing, and if you like what you're doing, even if you're a 9 to 5 and you enjoy your job, technically you're free because you're not actually you're getting paid to do what you love, and that's exactly what trading is.
Yeah.
I've always liked trading, always loved trading, and I just find it interesting. So there you go.
But then, I guess you can also say you're never going to be completely
Not
free.
at all.
Like you might have to make certain sacrifices. For example,
Always.
I might want to sleep until 12 p.m., but I know the best time to trade for me is in the morning. So that's technically
Yeah.
a sacrifice where, but like you end up enjoying it. But I'm saying there's certain sacrifices where you sort of have to do something you don't want to do. So, for example, no one enjoys backtesting as much as live trading. Yeah.
For sure. For
No one
sure.
enjoys backtesting as much as live trading, but you still have to do it. So that's it.
Yeah. No one likes journaling really. Journaling is
Yeah,
obviously tedious.
that's it.
Journaling is boring, but you have to do it.
Yeah.
Not to go all Master Oogway on you guys, you know what I mean? But that's just my thoughts on it.
Yeah.
Well, that's our thoughts on it.
Master Uge.
There's a perspective of, I guess, a
I like
trader.
backtesting.
My
Yeah,
perspective. One perspective of one trader.
I like backtesting too when the strategy's winning.
I guess.
When you're in the
I
starting
guess.
stages and
Yeah.
your strategy keeps losing, you're like, bro, what's going on here? But the more you do it, the better your trades become and the more you enjoy it. That's how I view it.
But I've been
I was
backtesting for
saying that though.
almost 3 years.
Yeah, saying that though, when
Boring.
I first started trading, I was backtesting before anyone like told me to backtest. Like I was just genuinely interested and invested, just looking back in the past and being like, oh, this keeps happening, this keeps happening, this keeps happening. Um, so yeah, it just depends how you frame it in your mind, I guess.
I think it's the act of backtesting is boring to me now because I've been, Adil knows, I've been backtesting for so long,
Yeah,
man, non-stop consistently. But the idea for me of backtesting is boring. But getting the data, data collection, and data analysis, that for me is the exciting bit. So once I got the data, once I have
yeah,
all the things, and
compiling
I'm
it
like,
all at the
oh,
end, making a
yeah, yeah,
chart. Yeah,
you
yeah,
should
yeah.
hear me and Adil on the call when we finally
Trust.
finish our backtest strategy. We're like little kids, like for Christmas.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh,
Ooh,
we bro, this is
this
gonna be
win rate.
sick.
Ooh, this restore.
Yeah,
Ooh, look at this chart,
yeah.
bro. Literally.
Oh, look, if I change this tiny bit, then
That's
my
so
win rate
funny.
goes up like
Trust
this. And
me.
I'm like,
Trust me. Yeah, but
it's
that's the fun
that's
part.
what it is.
But
When
again,
you
that's
yeah, when
another
you just
part about having someone to talk about it with. Like you need
yeah,
like being able to share it with someone could even help you enjoy it more.
yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Being able to share your progress first of all with someone,
Yeah.
incredible stuff, and obviously your findings as well, and be like, oh, bro, we found this out, this little pattern that I saw. For example, like, I mean, you didn't find it through back testing, but that Monday replicates
Yeah.
Tuesday pattern thing,
I'm gonna have to
bro,
bring that back
that was,
soon. Yeah, yeah.
bro, we were like, oh my God, that's a cheat code at the time. I'm not sure if it still
No,
works now,
that's what
obviously
helped
because
me with
the
my
market cycle
FTMO. When
changes.
I passed
Yeah, yeah,
FTMO,
yeah, I remember.
I had like
Yeah,
an 80% trade using that. And if anyone doesn't
yeah.
know, or no one will know what I'm talking about.
No one will
Essentially,
know what you're talking about. Yeah.
every single day, obviously, we used to trade before live streams ever for like a whole year. We were still turning up to morning calls. And one
This
day
was
I
2 years ago,
turned,
wasn't it?
yeah, like 2 years ago,
Yeah, 2 years ago,
and
yeah.
every day I just started looking back in the past. I was like, hold up, Tuesday literally is exactly the same in terms of price action as Monday. If
Yeah.
not, just Monday but flipped. So I started
hmm
looking on the 1 minute time frame, like, wait, hold up. So it always breaks structure this way. If Monday did this, it'll break structure this way. Then it'll go up. Then it'll push down this much in comparison to this leg. And then I remember I used that to like risk 2% on this one GJ trade, and I passed. If not, I
You
went
passed
really.
FTMO,
I
yeah.
got to like 8% profit, and then I just took
Yeah.
two more trades.
I think you passed FTMO like literally 4 days before me.
Yeah,
You beat me by like 4 or 5 days or something.
that's the one
And then
flex I have on you. Yeah, yeah.
we were both on call, and I finally got my FTMO like challenge done. Like the first one, this is the
Yeah,
50K one back in the day. This is the one I blew. This is my first ever FTMO,
yeah.
and I was like, oh bro, I did it as well. We're about to pass at the same time, and we
Yeah.
actually did because you passed it. I
Trust.
think like you passed the challenge. I think five days after me again, and then yeah, I passed the challenge afterwards.
Yeah. Then it was
Bro, I think nothing
verification.
beats the feeling of beating your FTMO the first time. You're like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And then you get a massive reality check and go like, oh, actually, you know what? The work's not finished. I think at
Yeah.
that point I got a bit too
Trust.
complacent, I got too complacent, I got too cocky, I suppose. And then yeah, I started losing my way in trading and I blew my account. And
Mm.
then obviously that set me back a little bit, but it wasn't big enough for me to like cry over, but still.
Yeah. I think it must have been just part of the journey, innit?
Yeah, and plus I did get a decent like a few payouts out of that account, so I knew like if I can pass the afternoon before I can pass it again, that was my mindset going into it. So it wasn't a big loss to me at the time, but yeah. Looking back now, I wish I kept the account just so I can say I've never blown an FTMO
Yeah.
account, but it is
Can't
what it
say
is.
the same. I
Happens.
haven't blown it either. No, sorry, I have blown it too.
You have blown it as well,
Do you
yeah.
guys watch anyone like any mentors type? So I don't know if you know Raja Banks. I used to watch him when I first started. Then I did join one smart money group, but for the past year or so, I've just been backtesting. I haven't been with any mentors. I don't watch. If I do watch videos, it's not for learning it's more so just. No, sorry, it is for learning, but it's more so just watching it for the sake of it. I'd say for the past year, no mentors, no nothing, just back testing. That's it.
I think yeah. I guess you can say I used to watch Michael Bamba and Hannah Forex because I like to see their journey alongside mine as well. I enjoyed that stuff where seeing other people going through the same thing. Obviously now I don't have to do that because obviously I have the group, you know.
Yeah,
And
I think
the
he
group,
means in
I can
terms of
see
learning
people's
your
growth.
strategy fully. Like, did you?
In terms of learning my strategy, I guess I used to watch a lot of Sean Lee, AstroFX, the mostly Sean Lee. I enjoyed watching his stuff. When it comes to, I guess, when it comes to trading, I think he is one of the ones I really did look up to at the time. I think now we have kind of the same strategy now, which is quite weird because I haven't seen him I haven't seen any of his content for like, I think damn near 2 years whenever he left IG, and we still ended up with practically the same strategy, which is quite interesting. But
Yeah, that was funny. But
but
Sean
no,
Lee's definitely
I've never
a good
like,
trader. If anyone knows who he is,
yeah.
should know who he is. Where's my camera
I think
gun?
his best feat, I guess, or his best what's it called? Best trading performance was probably when he turned 5K into almost 600K, but blew it into like 300,000. So he halved the account, I think. He got it to 600K, then halved it. So
Yeah.
pretty
What,
good.
what about you, JP? Do you watch anyone?
Yeah, what about you?
Keep up to date.
I'm sure you watch someone. Like, as much as obviously I like to say I'm self-taught, but obviously I have influences. Who are your influences then when it
Yeah.
comes to trading?
Yeah, that's why I
Q
hate. I hate
Banks.
when people say self-made. Like, what you on about, bro?
Nah, I don't think anyone in trading
No
can ever
one.
be self-made. I don't think knowing, honestly, like obviously you don't have to. By mentor, I did mean like, did you pay anyone to
Then
teach you,
I
and you
guess
didn't.
you can say you self-made if you didn't. For the sake of it, you
It's
could
free
say.
content. Like, I guess it's free content, but yeah.
Yeah, I always think of it as at one point you watched a video from someone else. So don't. It's more so an ego thing.
Honestly, I watch a dumbass guy. Ah,
Mamba
damn.
FX. Nah, he's the scammer number one, isn't he? From what we know.
Maybe not number one. Maybe top. Like maybe he's on the Mount Rushmore for sure of scammers. I can't lie.
I don't.
But
Yeah.
nah.
I don't know for a fact, but I saw one video. This guy joined his signal group. Apparently, he deletes the signals when they lose, or he posts it after the trade.
Yeah.
I mean,
I think he's an entertaining YouTuber, but I don't think he knows how to trade. To be honest, we're allegedly trash. Yeah, nah. First of all, I hate people that provide signals anyways. Like I don't like. Obviously we have a group. I put my trades on there, but
yeah.
I'm not gonna put my entry and stuff. Literally just what I'm looking at, just so people can learn. Because I think people like when it comes to signal groups, people don't learn anything. If they make money, then they're happy, and they don't.
Yeah.
They don't find other ways to do that. But yeah.
Signals are better if it's analysis or something. I mean, it
But
must
I'm not
have helped
complaining.
you. It must have helped you, but
Alright, if
I
that
think
was your
the
only
keyword,
if that was
keyword is tweaked
Yeah.
it to a plan that I liked. That's the keyword,
Yeah.
isn't it?
yeah.
GJ, what are we tapping into the area now? Let's see. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful stuff. So we do have this structure coming into the leg here, which I need to watch out for. I gotta watch out for this.
Just to let everyone know my next step of improving my trade, by the way, I'm going to be looking at order flow and I'm going to be looking at hedging as well. So there's
oh yeah, do you want
there's a heads up for you guys.
Do you want to give
No,
any
I don't.
stories? You don't?
No,
Are you
I
keeping that
don't.
quiet?
Not really.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mark.
Until
Talk
further
about
notice.
free die.
The stories are
Mhm.
staying quiet.
Until further notice. Yeah, they're quiet. I was discussing it in Discord, to be honest,
Yeah.
but yeah. Until further notice, it's quiet.
GJ, we're getting
Aw.
a nice push up here. Let's see this.
I guess I'll have to be an enigma for a little bit. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah,
This is why we named it. For this exact day.
So weird with
Morning,
enigmas,
boys.
you know?
Yeah. Hey, jeez. Flexing on us.
What's this?
Look at the Discord, bro.
Hang on. Oh, is this JP's trade?
No. Look at the chat.
Deja vu.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
never fails to, I just.
Look at this card, bro.
Oh, I'm going on it now. Is it elite man flexing?
No, no,
Nah.
no, no. It's Ray.
Ray. It's Ray.
Man's on holiday.
Oh, it's a real flexing on us. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ain't
proper
no
flexing
trades,
on
we're
us.
actual flexing on us.
Great, bro. While we're hustling on,
Yeah,
as Valipur would say, we're
the real freedom. Ray's living
yeah,
the real freedom.
yeah. This could be marketing material right here, boys.
Yeah. Our
Imagine doing
members.
a
Our
YouTube ad.
members.
Our members in.
Oh, so, jeez. Okay, okay.
Oh God.
Is that you? I don't know why I keep loading on this. I could just, yeah. This is what we're talking about, boys.
Crap. My phone died. Well, not my phone died. My phone fell. Flexing. See, look at our members, bro, out here living. I'm joking. No, that's not because of us.
We got more than
That's all
boys
him.
that
That's
was
not because of
there. He took Mark's signals, boys. That's why he's living this life.
Yep, he did.
Yeah, that's amazing.
For yeah, for everyone that serious, that was a joke. Okay, that was a joke.
Oh, yeah.
Was it? Hmm.
Yeah, he didn't take my signals. He does trade by himself though, to be fair. He knows how to trade. He trades ICT for everyone who's wondering and how to get this lifestyle. Play if it's caught on GJ, I'm done for today. Nice man, jeez, smashed it. Smashed it. As per usual, Fernando.
Yeah.
Smashed it as
Always on the start of the stream. It's amazing. Great
Always,
start to the
man.
week. Yeah, that is a good start to the week, man.
These California
Set the
people, they are
tone.
something else, bro. They are something else. I'm telling you.
I'll be
Indeed.
back in 5. Do you want to share your screen or not?
Who, me? Oh,
You
I
got-
thought you were reading that.
No, I'll be back in
I
5.
thought you were reading back in 5. Got you. Alright. First of all, let's go over here. Okay, so GJ, as you can see, is climbing slowly but surely into the zone I want it to. So, yeah, over here. Climbing slowly but surely. Let me just move a deal out of the way so he's not. So 159 is the level. I'm looking at, as I said, a daily level over here. Slowly but surely. I do anticipate some sort of relief though on GJ. We are making technically lower lows, lower highs as well, as you can see currently in terms of major structure. So again, we're going with the trend here. Pretty nice. We also did break this previous low over here. I don't know how I missed that, but there you go. And we created lower lows as well. So it's pretty good. But we have to wait and see. This is the issue with my strategy though, by the way, because I do obviously see that we could potentially see that 159 level being hit, but I'm not willing to take the buys from anywhere here. That's what I'm looking at currently is how can I what's it called? Maximize my trades. Obviously the conclusion I came to is take the trade towards my entry and obviously take the sells on my entry over here. So but it's a little bit easier said than done, obviously, because, well, I have to basically find a new strategy, maybe a lower time frame strategy on here, break of structure or whatever around this level. Any suggestions, let me know of how I can do that. But as of right now, still trying to figure it out. As for gold, as I said, it's a little bit of a tricky one on gold. I want to see how it reacts first of all. On breaking this level, and if we reject this weekly level over here, then I may be looking at taking the sells. One, because it's a psychological level, and it's a weekly level as well. And at that point, we will be breaking the previous low, and therefore we are bearish at the time. So I will be waiting and seeing. As for first targets, obviously things I need to be wary of are these minor structures over here and this weekly level over here as well. Next thing, pound Aussie dollar, I guess. To be fair, I'll analyze pound Aussie dollar right now. I don't think there's anything that's why I didn't analyze it, but as of right now, we are currently in consolidation for pound Aussie dollar, so we have a major support over here and a major resistance up here. If we end up continuing this momentum on Aussie dollar, obviously we are anticipating price to close into the next weekly grid, which is this level at 1.7200 over here. Okay. So we'll wait and see if that happens. If not, we could anticipate a potential pullback. Oh, that was a weird way of saying it. Pullback into 1.82. Welcome back a deal. Pullback. Those are probably the Enigma back now, bro. James might be starting to put the squat like gif on on Discord, bro. You it was yeah. It's a inside joke, bro. You'll know. You wouldn't know. Yeah, that's squat meme. You know what I mean. But anyways, yeah. So we're anticipating potentially either a 1.82 or down to 1.73. But let's just look at what is likely to happen. So I do anticipate a retracement up to this level on the daily over here. It's been rejected multiple times. You can see it's quite a major level on the daily. The only problem I had with this though is the fact that I don't think it's going to be a deep enough pullback to really be a valid trade. You can see that it's just below 38.2, so not very valid. This is why I didn't analyze pound Aussie dollar beforehand as well. And since where's the daily like leg currently? Daily leg is still up there, still a weekly. Okay, we just mark that on. 4 hour VWAP, put that on. I mean, to be fair, that kind of lines up almost perfectly. I didn't think it would, but yeah, it's very low. It's very low win rate though, this one, because there's not enough confluence. It's going towards it, so I'm not going to be taking it. Watch this one be the only one that actually works out all the trades I've analyzed thus far. But anyways, yeah, this is quite a low win rate one down to this zone of 1.78 down to 1.72. Obviously, as I said, be careful of minor structure and major structures along the way. Yeah, Bitcoin, I think it's going to go down, man. Um, uh, oh, and then start good too. I thought you meant the moon 12K. I think that's like, bro, that's that's solid out. Solid ground. Mm, yeah, man. All right. Yeah. I'm expecting a crash as well, down to around 12K to 10K as well. As for when it'll go to the moon, probably never. I can imagine it will probably rally at some point, but again, I've said my thoughts on crypto as a whole and well, Bitcoin namely. It's like there's no use case for it. There's absolutely just no need for it. Like I guess you can say it's a digital gold, but if people are saying it's a cryptocurrency, if it's a currency, then it can't really be deflationary like that because if it's deflationary, then technically it will keep increasing in value over time. If it increases in value over time, then what's the incentive of actually spending the money? There's no incentive at all. So as for a currency, I think XRP is a little bit better. And as for like a use case, like a cryptocurrency with actual use case to it, I think Ethereum is better. Now, if people start to argue and start to change their mindset on Bitcoin, saying it's not a currency anymore, it's more of a store of wealth, and that's what it's going to be, then yeah, I guess. But you can't really have the issue with that is you can't have a store of wealth without stability. The reason why gold is such an amazing store of wealth is because it holds its value. It does increase value over time as well, but it holds its value and it retains its value for a long, long period of time. And that's why people are willing to put their money into it, like large amounts of capital into gold. But for Bitcoin, well, what's the point? I mean, you could either become a millionaire after a day or absolutely broke the next day, lose like all your wealth that you put into Bitcoin. So that's the issue with Bitcoin right now. And that's why I don't fully believe in the Bitcoin hype. Ethereum, there's some use cases for it. It's basically like a massive app store for for the blockchain. As for XRP, it actually does have a use case where it can actually transact, I think 2,000 transactions per second. Not a lot, it can be improved on, but still more than Bitcoin, where I'm pretty sure it can do like, I don't know, I don't exactly know the facts, one or two. I don't exactly know. Plus, in terms of the environment, Bitcoin is one of the like heaviest uses of, electricity when it comes to mining it, because in order to actually, transact, big GPU rigs and computer rigs actually have to do the complex calculations to actually what's it called, to mine Bitcoin basically. But that's the issue with it. Yeah, that's my thoughts on it. I don't think it will rise to previous highs. I may be wrong, by the way. And again, Bitcoin could potentially stabilize or something and actually start to become a proper use, store of wealth. But as of right now, as it stands right now, Bitcoin has no use case at all for me. It's a good investment for the short term, well, short to medium, medium to short term, short to medium term, whatever. Yeah, it's because it could potentially obviously have a massive spike to the upside. But overall, I don't believe in the project. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. Mark, when you're trading on your funded, what's your average percentage gain per month? Now, question is, do I want to answer that?
No, you don't want.
That is the question now. Do I want to answer? Because obviously you guys know my capital, and if I tell you my percentage gain per month, you know exactly how much on average I'm making per month.
Only 1%.
Hmm? No, but it's still internet, like it's still a public thing, isn't it? Like, does it change though? Obviously, yes, 100% it changes. On average, it varies quite a bit. Because sometimes you're gonna have a very good month, especially with my style of trading. To be honest, with all style of trading, guys, it's gonna vary. Because you're not always gonna have the same setups, all right? And the market cycles do change. Can you rely on it? Can you rely on trading income? If that is a better question, I think. If you ask, can you actually rely on the funded account and rely on trading? Again, it depends on how consistent you are. Have you had a losing month? And if so, how did it affect you? Absolutely, bro. I think, well, last month was a losing month for me. And to be honest, it kind of affected me in a little bit. One, because I think that's my first losing month starting the group. So I didn't know how to handle that to really, and elite man's or you don't like making money jokes didn't help either. But to be honest, that didn't affect me that much. It's the fact that it was my first losing month and I didn't know how to handle it. But I just said, as long as I stick to my plan, as long as I stick to my strategy, I know what my win percentage, I know what my profit factor is. My profit factor is positive. So I just kept telling myself, regardless if you win this trade or lose this trade, um, then stats don't lie, numbers don't lie, statistics don't lie, and that's what I just put my psychology on, and that's why I think I've been more leaning towards trying to make my strategy more rule based, more not subjective, less subjective, and just basically overall more structured. Because regardless of what I'm feeling at the day, as long as I follow my plan, I know that I will make profit over time. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. Another tip I have for people that want to pass FTMO and want to start trading FTMO soon, obviously you have your data. Know exactly when your data works. So when your strategy works, what month it's the best, what day it's the best, and what day it's the worst, and what month it's the worst. That way you can reduce your risk in certain months or reduce your lot sizes in certain months. Um, I know for a fact that December was going to be bad. I called it from November. I've been saying, guys, by the way, my trades will drop on December. Likelihood is I'll probably have a losing month, and I did. Maybe I spoke it to existence, maybe I didn't, but I did also reduce my risk. So instead of being down, a lot of percentage, I'm not down that bad. But it's fine. We recovered at the first day of January. First day of January, I had an amazing start to the year. It has slowed down a little bit since then, I can't lie. Volatility being dying off again, but yeah, we'll get back into it. Just follow your plan, man. Just follow your plan. What's that thing someone used to say, like trust the process? Guess that's what you gotta do. Trust the process, man. Was it Rox that said that? Rox FX or whatever. Was it you? Oh, I can't like uh, I got it from basketball when 76ers like they have the Philadelphia 76ers. If anyone know basketball, they have the Joel the Process Embiid. He was the process, and they trusted the process. Anyways, I doubt most people know a lot of basketball here. Maybe he'll probably support LA. Nah, he's done for the day. He's probably gone. Yeah, dead. Nah. Michael Jordan played for the Bulls, bro. Yeah, poor. It's like me saying like bloody like, oh, did Messi play for Portugal? Yeah, Bulls, Chicago Bulls. Oh, Fernando's here. Oh, I thought you were done, so I thought like, yeah, Fernando's. Um, yeah, it's sick. Don't watch sports. Yeah. Were you the one that the what was it called like not skateboard? It's skateboarding, right? I'm not too sure. Someone used to do skateboarding in the chat. I forgot who it was there. Maybe Fernando. I think that was a sports that. But yeah, because I remember we were talking about because yeah, because skateboarding in the UK isn't as popular as it is, I guess, in United States. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, there's one here. Um, most of the time they're just in town, just like skating around that, that place. Yeah. Anyone play chess? Oh, we're about to start to play chess. I can't. Me and Adia literally spoke about it. We were like, bro, we need to stop playing chess one day. Yeah, chess is a great way to increase your like. Yeah, we suck though. Now that you say you used to play professionally, now I don't even want to stream the playing chess to be honest. Now I don't. Now you can I play poker? I can play poker. So yeah, I'm okay at poker. I've got a decent poker face because I just like laugh at everything anyways. Yeah, I got a decent poker face. People don't know. No, it's not. You know how like if you guys watch Kevin Hart and playing, when Kevin Hart did that skit, I think at the start of his show, where he did that poker thing. That's basically what I play like. If anyone knows what I'm talking about. If not, skip, skip. No, but I'm okay at poker, I guess. Yeah, man. I don't think it's a couple. Yeah. What I just do right now, since I've only been playing for like a little bit, Adil's on mute. Adil, you're on mute.
No.
No, I
Mad.
can hear you, but
No,
yeah.
he's on the YouTube peak.
Oh, mad. Um, but how long for though? How long has he been
Bro,
on
I
mute
was on
for?
mute for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh, mad. Oh yeah. So as we said,
JP, you could have
oh
said.
my God.
You could have
Oh
said
my God.
JP. What are you saying it now for?
Hilarious.
Oh, that's peak.
Anyways, yeah. So yeah, as Adil said and he mentioned, is we are planning to just when we move out to office and get an office somewhere in
Yeah.
the UK, we will just have like a chessboard and stuff and whatever, and just play chess while thinking. That way we can increase the mental fortitude, right? I think that's what chess is good for, and it's a good skill to know.
Yeah.
It's just not a good skill, but it's a fun little hobby to have, to be honest. Since you've been playing professionally now, I don't even want to
Yeah.
like
No, yeah. I was
play
saying,
chess.
JP, you can teach us chess. You can teach us on stream how to quickly get better.
As for poker, Fernando, if you want to do a poker night, bro, I am 100% down. Although I don't bet real money though,
Mm.
um, because I don't know how to play poker properly. For me, it's gambling. Obviously I know the rules of poker and stuff, but for me, I don't know the proper like tactics and stuff. I can't do the maths in my head or what the percent of me winning and losing is. For me, it's gambling.
I've got some smart genes inside
You
me. I
have to
need
be low
to.
key smart.
Yeah.
Oh, then I'll be like, then I'll just give up. Then that's it. All right, you guys enjoy yourselves, innit? You guys enjoy yourselves. Have fun playing
Yeah.
chess, man. I'll watch. I'll be a spectator, pretend to know what I'm saying and
Yeah.
doing.
It's strategy like Forex. Yeah. I reckon it's like anything else where there's talent and skill. No, sorry, talent and hard work. Where the hard work could get you quite far. But then I'm guessing in
Yeah.
championship level, there's just certain like different breeds where it doesn't matter how hard you work, they're just gonna.
Say Magnus Carlsen or something. That guy from I
Magnus
think he's been a
Carlsen.
grandmaster.
Yeah, these guys
I
are
think
crazy.
so. I forgot his name. Yeah. You need to study your games. Yeah. Or your opponent's games. A lot of openings. See, my opening is the most basic one. I think it's like E5, E7. That's the opening move that everyone like. You know that pawn. Yeah. How to
Yeah.
play. How to
Yeah, what
how
I
to
was saying,
develop. Yeah,
JP,
that's
I
the
was
thing.
I was
It's hard.
saying before that I bet there's certain things you can learn straight away that massively like improve you compared to a beginner. Like just like in trading where you quickly learn structure or something like that where compared to a beginner you know a lot more. We need you to teach that to us, openings or whatever.
That's what I'm gonna say, by the way. When people start trading, yeah, and I'm like, okay, so if you guys go against like the smartest person in chess right now, would you win? No. Okay, so how do you guys expect to
Yeah,
do that the same
exactly.
with Forex? Because in trading, some people think as soon as they learn support resistance and whatever, they think, oh, that's it, I'm gonna beat the smartest people in finance. But no, exactly. I think
I think yeah.
that's a good way for it.
In general though, I think like Mark was saying before, I think chess is really good for thinking like further ahead, like more strategically.
Yeah,
So like right now, the way my mind is focused is whatever my next goal is, I'm all focused in on that. For example, past 3 months has been trade backtest to pass FTMO. Obviously, we have the longer term vision, and we planned out the whole year for Enigma especially and stuff like that. But in terms of what I'm motivated by and stuff like that, it's more so just the next goal. I think chess will be really good for like thinking 10 steps ahead if you actually become good, and it'll open up your mind a little to think better. But yeah, I didn't take these GJ cells by the way. Now Fernando, you're gonna learn from the stream, bro. Come on, forget YouTube.
I'm gonna learn how to play chess on YouTube.
You're gonna learn from Enigma Trading Group how to play chess.
That's one skill I do have. Do I have it here?
I play when I trade. Yeah, that's true. We were thinking we were gonna play it on stream, just me and Mark, but we should get you guys on
Yeah.
too. Just get schooled by JP on stream. That'd be sick.
What I can do is not. I don't know how many people can do it. Is actually solve a Rubik's cube. I don't know if anyone
Nah,
can do it, but
really?
yeah,
Are
yeah, I
we,
can solve a
are we
Rubik's
gonna
cube.
get it on stream?
No, I'm not very quick at it, but I can do it. And this is a crappy Rubik's cube. I can't find my other one, but yeah, I can show you guys.
All right, clip incoming. Mark Castro does a Rubik's cube in. No,
How long though?
millionaire trader solves Rubik's cube live on stream.
How long though? How long do I have? I can't. I can barely see the colors because obviously my light's turned off. But I'll.
Is 5 minutes too much, or do you need? Is that too
No,
little?
5 minutes should be fine. 5 minutes should be fine. All right. When does it
Hold on,
start
wait,
now?
wait,
Start
guys,
now.
wait. Let me start. Let me get a timer.
Rubik's cube strategy. Yeah, bro. It's a Rubik's cube strategy.
Where's your stop loss, bro? Where's your stop loss?
Bro, are you started it or not?
Hey, relax.
I
We
don't.
gotta
Oh,
make
yeah.
sure.
You play when you trade. Or chess. JP, bro. He's a different breed, bro. I think 5 minutes should be
Alright, boys,
fine.
we
Let's
got
see.
it.
I haven't done it in a while, by the way. I
We
haven't
got
done it
it.
in a
We
while,
got it.
but anyways, I'll do it.
GJ, we're waiting on anyway.
All right, cool. Starting now then.
This
Okay.
is an educational trading stream.
Oh crap. Yes, crappy Rubik's cube. This is the cheap one.
That's pretty sick, JB. I guess I could do that while I'm back testing, just have chess on the side.
I can't see the bloody colors, boys.
You got 30 seconds
on.
left. Joking.
30 seconds left,
Messing.
bro.
You need the lights on, brother. What are you doing?
Bro, I can't see shit, man. There we go. Okay, fine. I got the pressure on me now, bro. Okay.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think over time, if we keep doing it, then in 10 years' time, I'm gonna be sick, bro. Obviously, every year you obviously improve, but
What, chess?
I think it's good for the trading group as well. I always figured if you want to blow up in certain ways, You need obviously something a little different. All these trading groups, a lot of them are just like the same. They don't
Basic
have
as hell.
they're very
Facts.
basic. Oh, look at us. We took trades today, guys. We're in our meeting with our clients. That's it. That's all they do. But
Clients? What the hell they need clients for?
exactly, scammers. I've been playing since I
Clients
was like
for.
6. Damn, you must be good then. That's mad.
Bro, he used to play professionally. I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah, since you were 6. Wow, you must be a smart guy then as well.
He got 8 stars,
Have
bro.
we got the English Andrew Tate here? Is he a kickboxer
Oh,
too?
imagine. Oscar did ask if I wanted to start boxing soon. I said, nah, mate, I would, but I'm a
We'll
bit
do
busy
it
at the moment.
in London once you get the office. That
I
could
don't want to be against people in London, mate. I'll get knocked the hell out.
That's
Or
why.
stabbed.
That's why we do it in the office, not outside.
Oh, right. I was going to say, like, outside. I'm like, I'm about to get knocked
or
out.
we
But
make sure there's a gym near. We just go there once a week or whatever. I would prefer if the mentor came to me, if we got like a coach. But the thing is, I only want to get.
Spenny.
If I did boxing, I would only want to get taught by people who have trained actual champions. Because I feel like that
Right.
would be the best way to improve. For example, in training, you don't want to get a mentor who isn't consistent. That's my view. If I ever got a personal trainer, I would want him to have achieved like I don't know, like quite a lot. Now after I completed training, I want to learn. Yeah, for sure. I was doing it, but then I just switched to just doing gym now, 6 days a week. I thought I'll go back to boxing later. I did 3 or 4 months boxing. It's good for
What is
releasing
it?
that trading stress, innit? Watch, I'm gonna have a boxing bag in the back. Whenever I take a loss, you just see me get up and start pounding it.
Is that orange? No, it's not. This one is, though.
How close are you?
Very, very close. Literally, like, a few moves. Yeah, done. Hold on. Ugh,
2 minutes left. He seems
I'm
calm.
done by then.
He's
I'm done by
nervous, but
then.
on the surface, he looks calm already.
Palmer ready to drop bombs, but he
Don't
keeps
know.
on forgetting to be wrote down.
He keeps on
Did I
forgetting
mess it
that.
up? Nah.
Keeps forgetting that
There you go,
Bitcoin
bro.
took his stop loss.
Oh, done.
Jeez, he did it.
Done,
Smashed
done, done,
it.
done. Done.
3 minutes, 25.
That's a long time, by the way. I can't see anything, that's why. Alright,
Yeah,
that's why.
but
I can't
compared
see.
to everyone else in the chat who doesn't know, and me as well, who doesn't know.
Nah, that's a long time. I
Alright.
got it down to. I think I've only just started doing it, but yeah. Why do you look? What do you look for when solving it? So what I look for is so you do it layer by layer. So you do the bottom layer first, and you try to get a white cross first. That's a strategy. That way your mid pieces over here line up with the bottom already, and you have a face, or basically a face that's done. And then after that, you do the corners. By the corners, all you do is there's an algorithm when it comes to corners. It's up, right, down, left. Up. It's like a cheat. It's like a cheat code, isn't it?
Yeah.
But and then the next thing you do is the second layer. The second layer you'll do, and then the next thing you need to do a yellow cross up top. You get the corners in, or sorry, the face ones aligned, and then you do the corners at the end of it, and then that's it. That's how you do it.
So you get the face ones aligned and the corner ones. Interesting.
Yeah. So
What
face.
do you mean by
so
face? As in,
so it's like it's cross. Face as I mean like these ones right here. So the middle.
right? As in, do you mean just the middle one or the whole cross?
So yeah. So what you do is you get a cross first here,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And then you solve this, and then you
Right.
solve the corners, and then you solve the bottom, the next layer, which is this, all in one go. This all in one go. This is quite easy. The middle layer is the easiest one. The next thing is you try to get a yellow cross, and once you get the yellow cross, you have to basically align the faces again to. So let's say that's red, it has to be red. If that's orange, it has to be orange. If that's whatever, it has to be
Yeah.
whatever. And after that, you do the corners. So how you do the corners is basically you flip it and you do the exact same algorithm as you did the previous one. It's not hard to do. I literally learned it because I was working at hospitality 2 years ago,
Hickories.
whatever. Yeah, Hickories. And then someone had a Rubik's cube. Someone brought in a Rubik's cube, so I had a 30-minute break, and all I did was watch literally a 10-minute video, and you can learn it from there. Seriously, it's so easy to.
What, so it's like tying your laces or something. It's just you quickly learn the trick.
So easy. It's so
Really?
easy. Yeah, so easy.
Cool little party trick then, isn't it? Alright, next stream your
Yeah.
target is 2 minutes. Calm.
So I still had 20 minutes to eat my break. to eat my food on break, and then still also learn the Rubik's Cube as well.
Madness.
Yeah. It was actually Mui
You know.
that told me to learn it. He was like, "Oh, bro, yeah." He also learned it in 10 minutes as well.
Right. Let's see.
I'm gonna Google how to bloody play chess now because I don't want to be beaten
JP, I
by.
didn't. We're still in bullish structure, so I didn't take it. I was
Oh,
thinking,
GJ
bro,
falling
I
back
was
down again.
wondering whether people would be confused by this and think I actually sold. But no, I was saying earlier I'm not taking it because
We're still in bullish
we
structure.
had this
and a hard
bullish
lower.
structure here, and price basically came into the 50%, so it didn't make sense. Plus, we still got this order block sitting right here. Dangerous. Dangerous to say that.
Mark, play. Yeah, yes, she will do, man. I am not. I'm not afraid of competition, and I'm not afraid of losing. So yeah, definitely. It's just I don't want to get embarrassed.
Let's do we could do chess right now, to be fair. I mean, I'm waiting
Yeah,
on
do
GJ.
chess.com, man.
That's it.
Chess.com. We got 30 minutes to play, bro. Like,
First me and Mark, then JP. I'll play you.
you just want to beat me, don't you?
No, I've never. We're probably the same level. If not, you might be better.
Nah, I
I
doubt it.
literally
I
never
don't know how to
played. The
play.
most I played was checkers when I was younger.
I play Chinese checkers. Okay, play online. How do I play someone? Log in. I'm gonna sign up,
Can we
alright?
customize the board to make it an Enigma board? That's the real question.
Or it
That's-
had to be special, didn't
That's
you?
all I really care about. Can we make it purple?
Yeah.
What does it matter what my skill level is if I'm playing online?
Play a friend. There we go. I can play a friend now. Go on. You need to sign up, bro.
You have to sign up, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't show anything.
You're gonna sign up by Enigma, or you're gonna sign up using a deal?
I'll do my one. Enigma.
No, do Enigma. I already signed up on mine.
Let's go. We just
So,
both
yeah.
do our.
Calm.
What? The user
And then we'll have an Enigma. Use an email, bro.
Adi Mustafa 1, see that? Banger. Start playing.
Do 10 minutes. Yeah, sure. Yeah. I play it. I'm sending on Zoom, by the way. So just
Play a friend. Are you sending it?
I'm sending the link on Zoom. So just play that, and then we good. You guys ready? This is gonna be funny.
yeah.
Yes, it will be hilarious for you to watch.
Two noobs essentially. I played checkers when I was younger. Marcus played Chinese checkers. Alright, Carl.
Just copy my moves, yeah.
Do you have to have the
You ready?
timer
Let me
on? Always? Is that just part of
Yeah.
it? Oh, 1 minute. Alright. I'm gonna try and be cool.
Are you gonna play or
Yeah.
you got 10 minutes, brother?
I mean, my timer just started. So interesting.
Interesting. Hmm.
Yeah, take it, bro. I know you want to. But
What do you mean?
can't.
How can I bloody take it, bro?
I was,
What am I
I was
taking?
talking about this. The pawn right there.
Oh right, I was like, what the hell am I taking,
What's
bro?
he talking about? Why not? I feel like I've messed up by just opening the king straight away, but you did the same.
I think oh no. Oh no.
Oh shit, you. Have you done your go? I've done mine. Am I? Are you waiting? on me?
Yeah, I'm doing mine, yeah. Doing mine.
Oh, Elo, yeah, 728 is quite high, isn't it? Is my guy? I swear 728 is quite high
What? What are you talking about?
for your Elo.
You'll go, by the way.
Your Elo, I know.
I've just what do you mean Elo? What Elo? Oh,
728. That's high.
F3Y.
Has Mark been capping this whole time?
What are you talking about?
Your Elo, that's high, isn't it?
I've just started. This is my first fresh account.
It says 728.
That's cap. I don't know what you're talking about. You want to play, bro?
Greatness takes time. Come on, you should know this.
Greatness takes time. Facts. That is
Isn't
facts.
it? I thought 728 was high.
Mm-hmm.
You sure go, by the way.
Yeah, no.
Guys, anyone news tuning in, there's no cells yet. Just letting you know.
Just calm
We're
down.
not-
Great play.
We're not just playing chess for no reason on a stream. Alright.
Oh crap! I
Boom!
messed up.
Bro! Alright. I don't wanna get too overconfident there. He's just lost his queen already. Interesting.
That's bad, Mark. That's bad start.
That was very bad. I feel like my king's open.
Mark
but I don't know what
thinking
to do
the
about it.
long way, like he been used to.
Bro, come on, bro.
At times are basically the same. What did you just do?
Check, I think.
Yeah, you have check. You have. But no, you haven't.
Oh damn! I messed up there.
Oh, Mark.
I'm new, bro.
We're both new.
Adil's taking his
That ain't
time.
no excuse. It's your go.
Yeah, I know. To be fair, I didn't even see that queen could kill me. I can't lie. That was bad foresight. Oh damn, I'm getting destroyed here.
I thought you messed up then. You just forgot.
Mark, you need to think like scalper.
Think like a scalper. I might
Not
have
like
to.
weak trader.
I might have to.
That was worth it.
I guess. I guess. Oh damn. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. The deal's onto me.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, what the hell? You can swap?
You just flipped it.
I
You
didn't know you
flipped
could
it,
do
bro.
that.
You flipped the switch.
I didn't mean to do that. I did not know you can do that.
What were you trying to do? Move your king slightly?
Just move one of them, but yeah.
Mad. I think I've lost this by a considerable margin.
I might have checked you.
I don't think, not quite. Very close to. Are you clicking on everything to see your possible moves or something?
No, I'm thinking about. I'm trying to do some calculations.
Calculate stuff. Got you. What do you do?
I just took your pawn.
Yeah. Don't like this. You literally,
Why not?
that rook can literally take everything right now.
Yeah, it looks like it was a good idea to not take GJ cells.
You look at a trade.
What now, bro?
I guess I just have to keep
I
moving
think you're
it.
gone. Surely you're
until-
gone now. Oh fuck no.
Just gotta keep moving it, bro.
I'll tell you what you need. Oh shit. Oh, Mark.
Oh fuck. Damn.
I knew he was gonna make a mistake at some point, boys.
Oh.
Alright, at some point, I'll get it eventually.
Yeah. I'll tell you why you did that.
You know,
Oh,
it's time to go
dude.
and smoke. It's time to go demon time, bro. Allow this guy.
Demon time. Demon timing, bro.
What are you gonna do now? I'm gonna take all your pieces. Watch. Shit. What? You still gonna take it?
Demon timing, bro.
Oh. You know what? Take him. I don't care. Take it. What are you gonna do? You can't move it. He's gone. He's dead.
To me, he's dead. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Who's dead? Who?
Yeah, your rook. I was on about your. I forgot what it's called. Your rook. Ah, you mother. Wait, Elite Man, have you played before?
Yeah, I've been.
Oh, is that why you're laughing?
Yeah, it's too fun to watch.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second, boys. I've got this. I've got this. I've got this. I'm pretty sure I've got this.
Are you sure?
Bloody move, bro! Move! So we can end it. What did you move? You haven't even moved, bro. Come on. Move it! Bro, stop thinking of move. Have you moved it? Nice. Move! Please! Your rook, you're pawn something, bro.
Shit, man, you might have done me on this one.
Why you move that there? Why not
What?
put more up?
Because it's not checkmate yet. Now it is. I'm pretty sure it's checkmate. What can you move now? What can you
I
move?
think you might have done me over here. I thought, does it not automatically end? 'Cause I swear you
I
done
think
me
it should be
dirty on this
checkmate.
one. Oh no.
Oh crap! I didn't see
Oh, what?
you.
No, bro! You're dead! You're about to die!
I forgot you moved. I forgot you moved your
Oh,
pawn,
holy
bro.
shit.
Now what? Now what, brother?
What do you mean now what? You di- Just have to.
Yeah, I thought so. I was like, wait, surely I must have an option here. Why is it not ending?
Ah, bro. I forgot you moved your bishop. I can't lie. I was thinking ahead. I was thinking too much ahead there.
Oh, man,
If you didn't move your bishop then, I
you
think I
just
would have
saved
got
me.
you.
You could have got my rook there. You just.
I would have done you, yeah. I'm pretty sure I would have done you if you didn't move your bishop. Oh crap! Didn't mean to do that.
All right, now time to corner the king. Time to get this guy. Oh, Mark, mate, you're slipping. You're slipping, bro.
What do you mean I'm slipping, bro? I got 16 moves, right? He's got 16 moves to kill me now, doesn't he?
You know what? Take him. I don't care. What are you gonna do? Take one of them.
Something like that.
I
Something
dare-
stupid like that. What
I
you-
dare you to take one of them. Go on.
Oh, I'm cornered.
No.
Yeah, I am. I am cornered. I am cornered.
Yeah.
Shit, I fucked up there. I fucked up there.
Give it.
Marcela, why you move?
I'm going to your
Yes.
king, bro. I'm going to your king.
What's the best way to do this?
For Echo.
I'm gonna
Shit.
move the king forward a little.
I think Elite Man knows what I'm trying to.
I know what you got to do.
I was trying to get his rook, but for specific reasons. For specific reasons.
Ate no aiuta il mutio.
God damn it.
Oh shit.
Come at me, bro. Come at me, king. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
You can't move forward either. So
No, neither can I. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Bro, come to me, bro. What are you doing? Come to me, bro. Come to me, bro. Shit. He got me.
Holy shit, Mark. Oh, Mark, what's going on now?
What's going
Dun,
on?
dun, dun.
What do you mean? What do you mean what's going on?
guys, I might become a full-time chess player. This is actually quite fun. Can't lie.
Is there no 16? Do I just have to keep going until I die or something? Because like it's taking
Yeah,
quite a bit. Here.
I need to actually think properly. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about now, JP. Because I'm sure. I
Oh,
can
look,
think
see,
of
look,
something
draw,
now.
draw. See,
Okay, so
I picked draw on
right
that.
now you cannot go anywhere here. I should do this here. Now you cannot go
You
there.
have to
Now
make.
all I need to do is this, surely? No, brother! I swear!
What do I have to do?
Yeah.
What do I have to do to get this to win? Like, why'd you decline a draw, bro?
Because I can win this, so I'm just trying to figure out how.
Is there no 16 move thing? I swear there's a 16 move thing, whereas if you can't get me in 16 moves, it's a draw anyways. No? Am I making that up?
No. You're dead. You're gone. Checkmate.
Nice.
Boom!
GG, bro. GG.
Alright,
GG.
okay, 1-0. We'll do this every stream.
I did mess up that one too.
Got
I
him in
messed
the
up
end.
badly.
I bet JP was watching thinking, what the actually? Him and Elite Man were like, what? What's going on there?
Go on, Elite Man, you get your chessboard out as well.
Break your computer
can
and
break
say you
it.
had a malfunction on your end.
That's a good one. Bro. I'd probably have to do that.
Man was trying to offer a draw.
Bro, just take the draw, bro.
He
Take
tried,
the draw.
he tried. But,
It could have been both W's. To be fair, I made a bit of mistakes there. A bit of mistakes. Quite a bit.
yeah.
I forgot that you moved your bishop. Because if you obviously didn't move your bishop, it would have been a... Oh, go on. Are you going to do it again?
Shall we,
Get Elite Man in.
Shall I play
Go on,
Elite Man
Elite
or
Man.
JP just to humble myself right now?
I want to play JP. And you can play with Elite Man if you want. Or I
Go
can
on.
play with Elite Man, you play with JP.
Elite
Doesn't
Man,
matter.
let me JP jump on. Let's see. Because he was the professional. I want to see just what the skill level is.
Okay, Elite Man, me and you. You be laughing at me all the time, alright? Time to put my, time to put you to work, bro.
I'll just send the link on thingy, innit? On the chat.
Yeah. I forgot where, I need to just close the game. You can change the, design button.
So, play a friend.
Play a friend. Alright, me and you, Elite Man. Where you at?
There we go.
Create challenge. You send it to JP.
It's on YouTube.
I'll send it to you, Elite Man. Here you go.
I was writing my name in chat.
Oh, he's
Zoom set.
Oh, his elo
There you
is
go.
1400. Okay, yours is half of his.
Yeah, but I'm
works.
guessing he doesn't play chess online, bro. I'm guessing he
Yeah.
doesn't play chess.com.
I think in general, I'm
guess he
pretty sure
plays
elo doesn't work. I think it's quite different to elo. Alright then.
Are you in Elite Man? You joined it. It's on Zoom.
I'm about to
Oh,
get... Guys, you're about to see a pro chess player finesse me.
I actually want to watch it as well, so I'm gonna have it on screen.
I played a couple today. Oh,
I'm gonna
so you've been doing warm-ups? Oh,
so I mean,
You're in, nice. Okay, go on.
yeah, ready?
Yeah.
I've started. It's your go. This is how I'm gonna cope with FTMO stress, guys. You know.
Facts.
um.
I blocked it. Bloody hell! What an idiot.
I've won already. I got checkmate. That's all I needed. I checkmated a professional.
You got
player.
checkmate. You got checkmate.
I checkmated a professional chess player. I'm done. Go on.
That's mad.
Are you guys playing too, or are you just watching this one?
Hmm?
Are you
You
watching?
checkmate. You checked me already.
Shit.
Would you mind moving your queen just a little bit, please? Like, would you mind kindly, sir, to move your queen a little bit, please? I'd appreciate that.
Kindly.
No, not there. I said there. Get out. Bugger off.
Shit.
Please, let me win this. I beg you. What can you do? Shit. Didn't think that.
Shit. Mark, what you gonna do now? Do.
Do-do-do-do. I guess. I mean,
I guess you're gonna do that.
I mean,
What? How did I not see that coming? Oh, it's almost like he knew what I was gonna do.
oh, I forgot about that. Forgot that your pawn can do that. To be honest, I can't lie. It was a bit of a poor foresight. Now, what do I have to trap you with now? I got my bloody rooks again to trap you. Bloody hell. It's annoying. What did you take? What did you take? What was it? Oh, you just moved. Oh, you just moved. I was like, what? I thought you took something. I was like, what was that?
We don't know. Holy crack. Hmm.
I know.
I know what you do.
That was the dumbest move I've ever done.
Poops.
Bro, forget I did that. That was so silly. Bruv.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Why is everyone in the chat, man? Is no one watching? Has everyone just left? I did just
I think
see-
they're watching.
Is everyone just watching us play chess? Or
Probably. Are you okay there, buddy? Do you like, are you alright?
Okay.
You just want to go on a draw or something? You just want him for a draw? Alright, let's replay that. Rematch.
That was fun.
Who's winning? Are you tying with a grandmaster?
he's taking my queen, so I guess you could say he's winning.
Mark, you time.
Yeah, no. Yeah. I don't like that. Screw you. Too aggressive, isn't it? A little bit aggressive there, buddy. Calm down.
Why is my brightness so low? Oh, do one. Oh, that's good, Baron. I
Mark,
thought,
eat
I thought
it.
we were.
Ah,
I was wondering
fuck.
how interesting it was compared to trading, but
We might as well just be full-time bloody like chess players, mate.
let's switch up, bro. Enigma chess.
Yeah,
Boom.
switch up Enigma chess, bro. Where can I take this bloody thing now? I guess you retreat. You retreat for a bit.
I feel like I'm getting set up here. He's doing something, but Baron, next time you jump on. This is how the stream's gonna end.
Shit. Mark, why? Why
Do
you
you why?
do?
I mean, why?
Pawns are so useless, man. If only.
What you? Screw.
I know, whoever designed chess. I'm obviously joking, everyone. I know there's a reason they like that.
Whoever designed chess, why would you make one that moves one time? Like, what an idiot. We could just make,
What's the
like,
point?
16 queens or some stupid thing
You
like that. Do you know
know,
what I mean?
why not have like 20 horses?
That's what I mean. That's what I mean, bro. Who decided these rules? I mean, I guess.
It's the only place I can go.
No, I didn't mean to do. God, I did. Oh, idiot.
Ping pong. Oh fuck.
Got baited.
Hmm.
Got baited. Hmm.
What we gonna do
Hmm.
now?
I don't know, bro.
I don't know.
Oh,
Me
I don't
he's,
know.
neither.
I
he's
can't
about to
lie.
check me, isn't he? He's about to do something.
Hmm.
Hmm. What's your plan?
I don't know what my plan is. To be fair, that was an accident. Hmm. Well, can be taken by that. Okay, well. Advance! Do you want to fight?
Yeah. Oh,
I'll give you a
crack.
treat. I'll give you a treat if you want. I'll give you a quick treat, alright? You okay with
GG?
Go on.
Oh,
Give you a
bro,
decent
this
treat.
guy's about to do something.
Come on.
I'm
Come on, you
retreating.
know you
Nah.
want to.
Yeah,
No, you want
he
to.
ain't gonna do
It's a
shit.
nice little treat. I'm being nice. Come on,
What?
take it. Take
Go
it.
on, take
Wait,
it,
what?
take it.
Take it. Take it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, mad. I thought I
You
was
lost.
gonna... Bro! I thought I was gonna retreat inside here and get it done, but you won't be able to get it.
Retreat!
I was gonna retreat behind the walls, but... Mad.
Behind the Enigma walls.
I can't lie, I
You
don't
good?
know. Oh, I got roasted.
Bro, eat my pawn, bro. Okay, never mind then. Screw you. Don't then.
Alright,
Damn.
we're gonna need some pointers, JP. The openers. What's the... Give me the signal, bro. Give me the chess signals, you know? Next time I play Mark.
Chess. Love that.
He's playing again. Do you want to play him? Or are you still playing with Elite Man?
I'm still playing with Lee,
Still
man,
be
bro.
playing.
Yeah.
Why don't you share your
Still a
screen or
bit,
watch yours? JP,
Alright.
we'll play next time. The stream's about to end in a second. Like 3 minutes. So.
Let's see. What can I do here? I think what I'm gonna do is.
You might as well be full screen.
Oh yeah, true.
Well, I feel like it's like you know when you're getting set up. I didn't know what to do. I had no idea what to do. I just knew you were doing something.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, indeed, I agree.
What
I
you gonna
agree.
do now?
What? Trap you?
Oh.
What do you mean? Oh, I'm gonna trap you, bro. Watch me.
You gotta think like, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, how fast does that process in your mind though when you're thinking 7 moves ahead? Because with me, obviously, I'm thinking, okay, if I do this, he can do this. It's quite slow to get to the next move. Is it literally within 30 seconds you figured out, okay, if I do this, this will happen X, Y, Z, A, B, C.
Making it annoying, aren't you? Making a mockery of this. You are.
Like instant because I've been playing for time. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That must be perfect for trading too. Because imagine him, like, for example, he's a scalper. Instantly thinking, I guess we already do it because, like, I've been trading for a long time, so I sort of can do that. But chess will probably take it to a whole nother level. if I do this structure, X, Y, Z, trend line, this, that. Like subconsciously, your intuition will be so much better just from that. Hurry up, guys!
Sorry. Sorry.
I do have to shoot. So what? Shall we just end this or for the update, guys? Join the Discord group. You know, the free Discord.
Yeah,
If you want
fair
an
enough.
update on the chess game, free Discord group in the description.
Facts. That's how you do it. Smart guy.
Yeah, JP in the office is gonna be sick, man. We're gonna have a little purple and black board there. It'll be cool.
Yeah,
Purple
for
and white.
sure. You're not Korean. Why is yours a Korean flag? What the hell's up with that?
Wait, this could probably take like 15 minutes, innit? It's not actually gonna.
Six. Well, yeah, or
It's not
10.
yeah, it's not
At
actually gonna
most.
be.
Yeah. How'd you know I was gonna go for your king? How'd you know? Who told you?
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Who baited me out? Who baited me out, bro?
Alright, yeah, it is 9:30, guys, so I'm going to end the stream here. Appreciate everyone joining.
Calm,
Appreciate
calm.
you tuning in for the quality trading, as you can see. I was looking for GJ sells, but, you know, there's no nice reaction.
My trades will be in Discord
we're
as well.
still
if I
in
do
bullish
anything.
structure, so sells don't make sense. As you can see, if I did take the sells down here, it would still be ranging. Price would not have done anything. Plus
facts.
EUR USD. We were looking for buys in this area here. Did not make sense as, you know, we did get a rejection, but we didn't break the high. Plus we had not tapped into the 50% of that time. So they got sacked off too. It's nothing on EU. Yeah, for now,
Didn't
yeah,
even see that.
that's all. Mark's trades will be on
Yeah.
Discord.
Bye, everyone.
If Mark takes anything,
Bye,
it'll be on
everyone.
Discord.
It will be.
Goodbye.
It will
See you
be.
lot tomorrow, same time.